get my camera ready for this shit. Cause like I said, y'all gonna get some shit y'all never saw before. Y'all ready? I want to introduce to y'all, before I bring Meg out, I'm gonna bring somebody out. Like I said, there's a very, 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 very special guest. My man, David McCay, Cormega's pops. Yeah, I told y'all I had the exclusive for y'all. Nobody, nowhere, no Cormega fan anywhere right now has ever met Cormega Pops. That's my man. Yeah, we got the exclusive. Yo, tell them a little something about your young boy, Corey.
Corey's gonna always be my son. Corey's gonna always be, you're gonna always be Corey's fans. Mega Montana.
Tell them an old story about Mega. Tell them an old story about him.
Okay, I'll tell you an old story about Mega. Mega used to be a pet freak. And the weirdest pet he ever had up in our house in McCay City was a dead piranha.
You know what? I'm gonna keep it so funky with y'all. I know it's a lot of Mega fans. I'm gonna let y'all get to ask his pops a question. What'd you say?
I said, how long did you not tell him it was alive? It was already dead. How long was it dead for?
It didn't take long.
It was dead.
As soon as I seen the sucker, I threw him out.
Every Mega show should.
We got another question right here. What's your name?
Thank you. Check it out. Check it out. Mega used to box. He ever try you?
No, I used to box before he used to box.
Alright, any more questions? Anybody else want that?
Is it true when he said Papa was a Rolling Stone?
I damn sure was.
When he laid his hat was his home.
So my nigga Mega said nobody gonna be dressed better. What you said? We should put up 500?
I said, yo, if there's a nigga in here fly to me tonight, I'm gonna give him 500.
He said, if a nigga in here fly to him tonight, he bet 500 on the nigga. I said, yo, I thought he was gonna come out with some fish, some throwback low, you know what I'm saying? I try to keep it official because me and him always talk about these bum ass niggas.
I like that shirt. That's a Mitchell Ness. I can tell just from looking at it.
But look, this is how they fucked it up, because it's 94, you know, it's supposed to have a triangle behind the logo. They fucked it up, you know what I mean? That's how you know I'm official, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Been rocking with these niggas since Starks was stinking it up, you know what I mean? But you know, Bones Brigante came out, the OG been showing me love from as soon as I saluted him. He recognized the talent and he let me come out, and I appreciate that shit, man. Real talk, man.
No doubt, that's the homie.
Man. Respect from the legends. I must be doing something right, man. I don't know what the rest of y'all niggas is out here doing. Nigga, you gotta take me to the tailor, man. Take me to the tailor, get me out of this shit.